So I just tried to fix the slime in a video that was 8 minutes long, and I couldn't. So I'm just gonna redo it like this. So what I've done is, and by the way, this is the part 2, and you're watching on Gracie, so hi. And what I did is add some glue and some lotion with water, and now it should be better a tiny bit. And I also added a tiny bit of soap. I think I should add in some shaving cream for the texture, I guess. I don't know. That's good because I don't want too much. That's so soft. Anyways, let's add in. Oh, you couldn't poke it. Ooh, that's warm. That's warm shaving cream. This feels so weird, especially with 2 hands. This is really hard. It's working. It's like melting the slime a tiny bit. I definitely like the texture and the smell that smells like shaving foam. And if you didn't check out the last video, and go and do it, because who wouldn't do that? I tried to do a thumbnail because who wouldn't? I might do more on the way, but let's do ASMR. I'm gonna do one before the ASMR, so let's get. That's all. Okay. Now let's put it back. My fingers hurt. Is that normal? Because I don't think so. It always does that though. I feel like, yep, there is slime. Oh my gosh. But I got it off because it was dry. Did it sound weird? I'm zipping it up. I want the air here. Okay, so no, not this one. Okay. Anyways, the next one is this blue one. I didn't touch it yet, so that's good. Just like the other one. Okay, that's good. It is so not good. That's one thing. Okay, I'm just gonna add lots and lots of lotion with a tiny bit of water. If you can't tell, I add lotion with water. It makes like overactivated slime better than just adding lotion. If you can't tell, it makes my slimes better. These are all the filters. And I didn't make this one. This is what my friend made for me at the party. And yes, I made all of these at a party. I think that's it. That's good. But for fun, I'm gonna add a tiny bit of soap. If you don't know, soap makes it melt. But if you don't add a lot, it won't make it melt. If you put like 2 pumps, it's gonna melt. There we go. And I'm gonna add a tiny bit of shaving cream. That's good. I said a tiny bit. So I did what I said. A tiny bit. I'm scared if this one's out. So I'm gonna do it fast. Dun 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 dun. This is how I mixed, everybody. Look all over me. And I think that's mixed enough. I don't really like the color though. So because of that, I'm gonna change it with the purple. Because I don't really want it blue. I want it more another color than blue. I'll probably change the color off camera like tomorrow. That pop was so good. Ooh. If you can't tell, there's purple on the bottom. I think I should add sprinkles. Although this is not my favorite slime, and I only add them if there's like one of my favorite slimes. That's good. Although I don't like the texture. So, what should I do? What should I do? I think that I'm gonna like I don't know. This is hard. This is hard. I don't know what to add. don't know. I think this is, I guess, good enough. I don't know. So I guess that's all for the video. If you enjoy, give it a thumbs up. Let's make a thumbs up print. Thumbs up. Ooh, it made a bubble actually. Oh, I want to show you guys something. This happens with some slimes. Did I make it? Oh. Yep, I made a bubble. I can't make it because of the slime. I don't know why. I can't make it, but I'm gonna do some ASMR, so let's do it quickly. Oh, this is a very bad slime, so I can't. That's all. So I will see you guys in the next video, or next video. So bye. Slime.